In this video, I'll walk you through 5 micro-income hacks that almost anyone can do. First, let's talk about selling useful templates or documents online. Many people need simple tools to help them stay organized, like budgeting sheets, meal planners, or study guides. You can make these using free tools such as Google Docs, Notion, or Canva. Pick a topic you know well, like tracking homework or planning meals for the week. Then, use one of these tools to build a helpful template that solves a real problem. Once you have your template, try making a few different versions or bundles. For example, you could create a set of planners for students or a bundle of business forms for small shops. Add a clean cover image and write a short description that explains how your template helps people. You do not need to be a designer. Just focus on making something useful and easy to use. When your templates are ready, you can sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Ko-fi. These websites let you upload your files and set your own price. Recommendation number 2. Package and sell prompt bundles for AI tools. Many people use AI programs like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Claude, but they do not always know what to ask. That's where prompt bundles come in. You can write groups of high-quality prompts for a specific task, such as writing newsletters, making lesson plans, or creating marketing posts. Organize your prompts into categories so they are easy to use. For example, you could have one section for social media posts and another for email templates. It helps to include sample outputs so buyers know what to expect. Once your bundle is ready, save it as a PDF or a shared Google Doc. This makes it simple for people to download and use your prompts right away. There is a big market for prompt bundles on Gumroad, Etsy, and AI forums. You only need to create your bundle once, but you can sell it many times. This is a great way to earn extra money with skills you already have. And number 3, create and sell digital sticker packs. Digital stickers are popular for messaging apps, digital planners, and social media posts. You do not need to know how to draw to make these. You can use Canva or an AI image generator to design your stickers. Pick a theme you like, such as pets, plants, or motivational quotes. Save your stickers as transparent PNG files so people can use them easily. Try to make a pack with 10 to 20 stickers. You can upload your sticker packs to marketplaces like Etsy, Creative Market, or Gumroad. These sites make it easy for people to find and buy your digital products. You can even offer custom packs or release new designs for holidays and seasons. Digital stickers are fun to make and can be sold over and over again. They are great for students, creators, and anyone who likes to decorate their digital notes. Keep watching because hack number 5 will show you how to earn money by sharing your local adventures with people around the world. Number 4, start a micro-content newsletter with paid upgrades. Newsletters are not just for big companies anymore. You can start a weekly newsletter on a focused topic, like AI prompts, daily routines, or productivity tips. Use a free platform like Substack or Beehive to get started. Begin by writing short weekly posts, each under 300 words. Build a free list first so people can try your content. Once you have some readers, offer a paid upgrade for extra tips, bonus templates, or early access to your best ideas. Keep your newsletter simple and useful, and try to send it at the same time each week. A micro-newsletter is a great way to build a small audience and earn a little extra money. You can grow your list by sharing your newsletter on social media or with friends. And remember, hack number 5 is next, and it's a creative way to earn money just by walking and sharing what you see. Finally, create virtual walking tours for tourists. If you live in or near an interesting city, neighborhood, or historical spot, you can make a virtual walking tour using just your phone. Plan a short route with 4 to 6 stops, like parks, buildings, or cool views. As you walk, record a video and share fun or historical facts about each place. As you make more tours, your library will grow, and so will your income. This is a creative way to earn money while exploring your own city. With just your phone and a little planning, you can turn your walks into a micro-income stream. Use free tools like CapCut or Descript to add captions and music to your video. When your tour is ready, upload it to YouTube and share it on travel forums or websites. You can also offer a downloadable version or private access for a small fee. Tourists love previewing places before they visit, and some may even tip or pay for custom tours. As a recap, here are 5 micro-income hacks anyone can try. Sell templates for quick cash, package, and sell AI prompt bundles. Design digital sticker packs, start a micro-content newsletter, and create virtual walking tours. Each step is beginner-friendly and can be done from home. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up so I know to make more like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Check back on this channel, The Xennial Files, for future advice.